All right, so we've got this Audi A5 here with a convertible top that was damaged from vandalism. They cut open the top and got inside to steal some contents. The customer came to us with some concerns. ICBC had some issues with covering the full cost of a brand new factory top. It was getting close to write-off status. So we found this full factory top out of another S5 in California. And that's given us the ability to put a factory top on the vehicle, satisfy ICBC requirements as far as the budget for the repair. And what we like about factory tops is that the fit and finish is absolutely perfect. We've had issues in the past with aftermarket fabric and tops. And so this situation worked out really well. We were able to source this top out of another vehicle from California and get it on the car for the customer. And the top is in fantastic shape, and the customer is happy, and ICBC is happy as well.